Let's get back to that breaking news. A brush fire is burning right behind homes south of Punta Gorda. This is off Burnt Store Road. We do know this fire started around 3 o'clock this afternoon in the woods, and it's not out yet. NBC2's Madison Adams is live off Burnt Store Road right now. This is south of Tamiami Trail. Madison, it looked really close to some of the homes from the pictures we are seeing. What can you tell us?
Yes, it is, Kyla. And as you can see, there's still fire right behind me, and there's lots of smoke. Firefighters were just over here spraying the trees, putting it out, but the fire just came back, so I'm sure they'll be back over here soon. I want you to take a look. Look how close this fire was to these houses right here. This is right here, right in these people's backyards. Residents tell me that police knocked on their doors telling them to evacuate, and they were all out here standing on the street waiting and hoping that the fire didn't burn their homes. They tell me the flames were 30 feet in the air, and what you're seeing right now is nothing compared to what they saw earlier. They say that luckily the wind shifted, sparing their homes.
Yeah, it started probably about an hour ago. Right now, it's lucky the wind has changed. It's blowing out of the east, going to the west. So it saved the houses here, for sure.
Just how big did the flames get?
Probably 20, 30 foot. Yeah, it's enough to make a mess of things.
So firefighters are still out here trying to put the fire out and finding out what caused the fire. They say it's about 4 acres, and it was back here in these woods. They don't know who owns the land either, but they're working on finding that out. We'll continue to keep you updated. I'm live here in Punta Gorda. Madison Adams, NBC2.